Don't blame others. Oliver was a 12-year-old boy who never admitted when he was wrong. Whenever something bad happened, he always found someone else to blame. It's Emma's fault, he'd say when he tripped over his sister's toys. The teacher didn't explain it right. He'd complain when he got bad grades. You didn't remind me, he'd accuse his mom when he forgot his homework. His parents worried about him. Oliver, his father said one night, one day you'll need to take responsibility for your actions. But Oliver just rolled his eyes and went to his room. One afternoon, Oliver was kicking his soccer ball inside the house, even though his mother had told him not to. Oliver! Take that outside! His mom called from the kitchen. I'm being careful! Oliver shouted back. Then, crash! The beautiful blue vase that had belonged to Oliver's great-grandmother lay in pieces on the floor. Oliver's heart pounded. He knew he was in big trouble. Before his mother could come see what happened, Oliver yelled, Emma! Look what you did! His little sister looked up from her coloring book, confused. I didn't do anything. Yes, you did. You left your toys everywhere, and I tripped, Oliver said loudly. His mother came in and saw the broken vase. Her face looked sad. Oliver! It wasn't me, Oliver insisted. It's Emma's fault. His mother sighed deeply but didn't say anything as she cleaned up the mess. That night Oliver heard his parents talking in the kitchen. I don't know what to do, his mother said. He never takes responsibility for anything. Oliver didn't care. He went to sleep thinking he'd gotten away with it again. When Oliver woke up the next day, something felt wrong. He went to the bathroom to wash his face, but when he looked in the mirror, his reflection was gone. Oliver rubbed his eyes and looked again. The mirror showed the bathroom wall behind him, but not his face. He touched his cheeks, he could feel them, but he couldn't see them. Mom! Dad! Oliver tried to shout, but his voice came out quiet and muffled, like he was speaking through a pillow. He ran downstairs where his family was eating breakfast. Oliver! Your face! Emma gasped. His parents looked up, and their eyes grew wide. Oliver? His mother said in a shaky voice. We can barely see you. Oliver realized with horror that he was disappearing, and no one could hear him properly either. Scared and confused, Oliver ran to the park. There, on a bench, sat an old woman knitting with gray yarn. Unlike everyone else, she looked right at him. Ah, she said. Another one who's been blaming others too much. Oliver was shocked she could see him. What's happening to me? The old woman pointed her knitting needle at him. Every time you blame someone else for your mistakes, you lose a little piece of yourself. Now you're fading away. Oliver felt sick. How do I stop it? The woman nodded toward a small shop across the street that Oliver had never noticed before. It had a sign that read, Menderson's Shop for Lost Chances. Go there, she said, and be honest. The little shop was dusty and full of odd things, broken clocks, empty picture frames, and jars with what looked like shadows moving inside them. Behind the counter stood a tall man with kind but tired eyes. Oliver Whitmore, the man said. I've been expecting you. You know me? Oliver asked. I know all children like you, the man said. He showed Oliver a shelf full of glass figures. Each one was a child frozen in time. These are the ones who never admitted their mistakes. They kept blaming others until there was nothing left of them. Oliver's hands started shaking. I don't want to end up like that. Then you must do one thing, the man said. Tell the truth. Take responsibility. Oliver ran all the way home. His mother was washing dishes, her back turned. Oliver took a deep breath. Mom, he said in his quiet, fading voice. I broke the vase. It was me. I was playing soccer inside, and I lied about Emma. His mother dropped the plate she was holding. She turned around slowly, and smiled. As she did, Oliver felt warmth spread through his body. He ran to the hallway mirror. His reflection was coming back. First his eyes appeared, then his nose, then his mouth. Oh, Oliver! His mother hugged him tightly. I'm so proud of you for telling the truth. From that day on, Oliver changed. When he made mistakes, he admitted them. When he forgot something, he didn't blame others. It wasn't always easy, but each time he told the truth, he felt stronger. One day, Oliver went back to look for the strange shop, but it was gone. In its place was a small garden with beautiful flowers. A note hung on the gate. Every truth you tell helps you grow. Every lie makes you disappear. Choose wisely. Oliver smiled, a real, honest smile, and knew he would never go back to being the boy who always blamed others.